Hey traders, Mike Sir here. Do you know how some of the most successful hedge fund managers in the world, such as Ray Dalio, Paul Tudor Jones, and Michael Novogratz, are able to handle the stress of managing billions of dollars of investor capital and be able to build a billion-dollar fortune through trading? Well, one thing they attribute to their success is through meditation. In fact, many of the top performers in the field of finance and trading meditate. The investment banking giant Goldman Sachs has a meditation instructor on staff who teaches and guides their traders and employees through a breathing meditation practice. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what meditation is, why you should consider adding meditation to your trading routine, and specifically 5 ways on how meditation can help you with your trading performance. So let's get started. Meditation is a practice to train your brain to be in a heightened state of awareness and focused attention. Now, the technique used is to focus your mind on a particular object, thought, or activity so you can achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state. In fact, meditation is practiced in numerous religions such as Hinduism, Buddhism, Judaism, Christianity, and Islam for thousands of years. In addition, there is significant research and opinions among experts that meditation can help us deal with stressful situations, especially what we have all experienced during the recent pandemic, as well as mental health concerns such as depression and anxiety. Some of the research that I'll be discussing in this video shows that meditation increases brain health while reducing stress and anxiety. And because trading is really a mental performance discipline, which is highly dictated by our brain and trading mindset, doing meditation can give traders a huge mental edge. Now, I've often said that the biggest barrier to trading success is not the markets, but ourselves, and this is why the act of trading, especially day trading, takes a heavy emotional toll on you. You see, throughout a typical trading day, you as a trader can experience a lot of emotions through making profits or incurring losses, or just the thoughts of deciding whether to buy or sell. Now, these emotions or thoughts are like an endless and constant circle for traders where you could be happy one minute and then sad the next minute. Now, depending on what emotional state that you're in, you could impact your own market analysis and perception of the markets. And this is exactly why meditation can potentially help you in trading by managing your emotions and thoughts. Now, let me share with you 5 ways meditation can help traders. In 2005, the current Dalai Lama, who is the highest spiritual leader of Tibet, he gave an enthusiastic speech about the benefits of meditation at the Society for Neurosciences annual meeting in Washington, D.C. Now, this talk led to a collaboration between brain researchers at the University of Wisconsin-Madison and Tibetan monks. The findings from their collaborative studies suggest that the Tibetan monks, who have meditated for tens of thousands of hours over their lifetime, had actually altered the structure and function of their brains. Specifically, it had reduced the gray matter density in areas of the brain related to anxiety and stress. The Tibetan monks were more able to attend moment to the stream of stimuli to which they were exposed to, whether it's a stressful situation or a situation that causes them to feel anxious. They were less likely to get stuck on any of these stimulus. As we know, trading can be extremely stressful on the mind and body, especially when you're losing money. The emotions we feel when we are losing a lot of money causes our body to enter a fight or flight response. Now, our body produces hormones that causes us to enter a mental state where our brains can't think clearly and therefore affect our mental performance. For example, think about a time when you were losing a lot of money and what your response was. How did you feel? What were you thinking? Losing money in the financial markets is never pleasant, but for some traders, it has led them into a state of depression. And this is why sometimes you see traders resort to heavy drinking or even drugs to relieve their pain. However, one Buddhist monk who was once dubbed the happiest man alive was found to have the highest capacity for happiness ever recorded when neuroscientists at the University of Wisconsin scanned his brain during meditation. Now, the study showed that the upbeat impulses in his brain were off the charts, along with the production of gamma waves, which were related to attention, learning, memory, and consciousness, were never before reported in neuroscience. Now, it showed that longtime practitioners of meditation experienced a high level of positive emotions with a reduced level of negative thoughts. For traders, this doesn't mean that you shouldn't feel sad after losing a lot of money, but rather allows you to get over the losses much quicker and not dwell on your past losses. This way you can get back on focusing on trading. Whenever you put on a trade, you as a trader have to interpret constantly changing market data and information and be able to filter out irrelevant information in the news. Now, this is obviously especially important and overwhelming for day traders who often have to make split-second decisions on this information. Well, according to a study done at the UCLA Laboratory of Neuroimaging, people who meditated for a long period of time have larger amounts of gyrification, which is the process of forming the characteristic folds of the cerebral cortex, than people who do not meditate. So the study indicates that gyrification is responsible for making the brain better at processing information, making decisions, and improving attention, traits that are very valuable for a trader. As many successful traders and myself can attest to, meditation is one of the most important self-improvement habits that you can practice every day to improve your trading performance. Now, here are some of my thoughts from my experience in meditating. Before you begin your trading day, find a quiet place where you can sit uninterrupted and close your eyes for 20 minutes. Focus on breathing in, pausing, and then breathing out. Pay attention to the pauses between your inhale and exhale. You can use meditation music that you can find on YouTube, or use guided meditation sessions from popular apps such as Calm or Headspace. These will help you to focus and not have any wandering thoughts. The key for me is to stay in the present and clear my mind of any negative thoughts or emotions that I'm experiencing. Going to your trading day with extreme negativity or optimism is going to affect your trading performance. So what I try to do is visualize a peaceful or tranquil place that I'm in and how calm and relaxed I am. After meditating, I write down any thoughts that I'm still experiencing and determine if I can put those thoughts away as I begin my trading day. Now, if I still continue to feel too emotional to trade, then I don't trade that particular day or even that particular week. The worst feeling in the world for myself is when you already feel bad and lose money at the same time. And lastly, don't expect some magic to happen within one session or a week of meditation. It takes repeated practice and focus to see any transformation. Please feel free to comment and let me know if you meditate, and if so, please share your experiences in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next video.